sheriff pulling that trailer. Oh yeah, they have horse cops down there. I forgot about that. They have horse cops, bike cops, normal cops, pedal pops, fucking everything, dude. Yeah, it's a solid mix of tuners and old school, so that's cool. That's not even really a boomer, that's just a fucking old young dude wearing boomer clothes. He's built like a boomer. I like that Suzuki, it's got angry eyes, hell yeah. Is that a Busa? No, it's a Gixxer. I just saw like Suzuki front end and I was like, yo, Busa. See that Harley up there? We have the same fucking helmet. Hell yeah. Mine's cooler though. I actually like put stuff on mine. It's not a performance Harley though. It's sad. Yeah, there's a lot of everything here, and it's probably pretty fucking dope. A lot of copyrighted music. Of course. Lowrider, dude, fuck yeah. On your left, the blue. Fuck yeah, brother. I like them old lead sleds, they're the best. Hands down. Dude, I fucking love lowriders so damn much. Fuck yeah, bud. That goes hard, dude. I will say though, my clutch hand is gonna be angry at me by the time we get through this. Yeah. Yeah, I've been like putting it in neutral and just like putting my thumb off of it so I could have it breathe for a second. That's the main thing with my thumb, is just get mad, fucking pissed, you know? Yep, doing Mustang things. Yeah, it's Mustang. Don't want to get ran down, you know. When I was at the Audi dealership last night with the group, some guy did a wheelie going past it, right? And this old guy, with every volition in his body for it to be an angry statement, said, "Those damn hooligans." And it's like, since when is that like an insult, you know what I mean? Like, not anymore, it's not. It's easier to find a different one than a bad one. Yep. To be a half-ass, or even a half-ass fucking, I don't even know what the fucking word is. I'm dumb. God damn it. To be even a half-ass competent stunt rider right now would be amazing. Because like so much open road, because everybody's going slower and shit from stoplight to stoplight. You just pop it and carry it. You get so much attention to validate. That's also not our scooter bro, but he is definitely a scooter bro. Oh, he's even dressed up the part. Fuck yeah, bud. Oh shit, he came back. That's a Civic. That's a fucking lifted Civic. I love that. so glad this bike's easy to put in the neutral too. I'd be fighting any of the Harleys right now like a motherfucker. What? Hold on. Is that what you wanted? Are you happy? Like on the, oh dude, that fucking Suburban's one too? Hey yo. So like, yeah. Yeah. That, they're honking, but there is literally no I feel like they someone. I feel like someone definitely wired his horn. Like. So when he went to the intersection, he was honking, right? His hand wasn't on the steering wheel. So either his thing's fucked. Yep. Oh no, he is honking. I don't know why. He's just genuinely honking one-handed. Weird. Yeah, they typically, I forgot they don't. They're either a super law abiding or they just do it whatever they want, you know? There really isn't an in-between. The bad part is there are so many cars that are so oh my god, it's a Lambo. We're letting the Lambo through? Fuck yeah, brother. He didn't say it back. Yeah, park behind is fucking empty right here. Fuck it. Alright, good to go when you are. Yeah, that usually helps. Hola. What was that, double check or something, or? I was gonna say, I'm just gonna be a silly little guy and go. To. I'm literally just going to follow you, whatever you do. I'm sure you'll do it in a way that's not going to kill us both, so. Oh. We didn't do nothing, officer. Hey, look at little bikes. Yeah, mine's running. That's why I moved over a little bit, because I knew you were gonna fucking take it up.